Learn your partner before having a child with them. Don't forget to study their family too. People, we can hide our true colors. Your wife can show her true colors after 2 years, and you have got two kids or one child with your wife. All the time you dated your girlfriend, you don't know her true colors. For 5 years, you say, I know my girlfriend, because at that time you are dating, you are not married, and now you are in a marriage. You know that other people are asking why those people are dating for 5 years, but their marriage lasted for 6 months or 1 year and they separated. Marriage and dating are different. So it's not about, you can say we are dated. Oh, why all those years I can't see her true colors the way she is now? Because you are staying together now, you are permanent. I can now showing you my true colors. We can hide, guys. Even a man can hide his true colors, the real he is, and he is showing you after paying lobolo for you, married you, because he knows that you are him now. He can start abusing you. Men, they can do it. They can do it very well, because now you are his responsibility. You, especially, you are not independent. You ask money for him, everything. He can show you his true colors, who he is now.